Hi, I'm Jeff. I'm an automation engineer at Proplanner, and I'm going to take you through some of our torque tool integration features by going through two different activities. One will be a more guided torque process, showing one torque at a time with one image at a time. And then the next will be a batch torque process, so one activity with only one work step and a batch of torques in that work step. So I've got Shop Floor Viewer and Fact Board up here. I'm going to be running it on a Power Focus 6000 and a cable tool for this demonstration, but I also have a wired tool that's not going to be used in this demo. So first step will be to sign on to a serial number and sign on to an activity. And once I sign on here, it'll load up my image and my resource information, and then it also changes the torque job in the controller. So I'm going to go ahead and do my first torque. And once the torque passes, it'll index to the next work step and also the next image. As I complete these, it will show the torque and angle values on the screen and the completed torques. So I'm going to go ahead and pass my next torque. And once that's complete, I'm good to move to the next activity. And for this activity, it's a batch of torques as well. So we can see that it loads two different torques on our information screen. So I'm going to go ahead and do my first torque. And it starts to populate the data on the screen again, but I'm going to go ahead and fail a few. And it gives some torque information on the screen, more detailed about what the failure was. And now that I've failed a few in a row, that's the amount of retries that I have. So it gives me an error down here. And will also give me an error on fact boards. So what I can do is go back to clear this issue. And retry the torque job. And it's going to have me redo both torques. And now I've got two torques, two values, both squares are green, so I can move on and sign off this unit at this operation.